This beautiful little guy was sitting right in that hollow there, peeping really loudly, somewhat urgently. I'm thinking he might have a nest in there or something like that. It's some kind of tree creeper. You hear that piping note behind me? That comes from the same bird. And these guys are usually really hard to get a beat on. This one's sitting relatively still for me in the one place anyway. Here he goes. They hang vertically on the trunks of trees like that, and they scurry up, picking away at any little insects that they find, and then they'll fly to another tree. I've never seen them walk down. Maybe they're not capable of it, I don't know, the way their toes face or something like that. But they will fly down to a low part on a tree and hop upwards, then fly down again and hop up. When they sit still on the right sort of tree, that sort of greenish back he's got, they're virtually invisible. But when they pipe up, very clear, crisp, piercing note. There he goes. And that's that other bird out there you can hear, that's one of his mob. I'm sorry it's shaky, but he's quite a fair way away. And he knows I'm here. I think there's a white-throated tree creeper. Yeah, there is. Oh, that might be him. I'll have to look it up when I get home, but I got some good still shots, and then I just thought I'd try and get some video footage, and I have. So he's, like I said, they're notoriously agile and always on the move. Whoops, he's gone straight up the tree really quickly. Oh, I've lost him. Oh no, he's on that one now. Where is he? He's so quick. There he is. Well, that's a tree creeper for you. Creeping up a tree. Aussie birds rock. Off he goes. See ya.